It's time to upgrade our treehouse. So the things for treehouse is the pulley's gonna be over there, the telescope on the bridge, 2 cots in the treehouse, and kids' furniture in there. I'm gonna build the laboratory by getting some glass from this. I need glasses. Okay, this is gonna be for our pulley system. So we put this on the edge of the bridge, then we're gonna attach the pulley to it. So we're gonna attach the 2 pulleys to this wood thing, and we're gonna attach the rope to it, and then attach the rope to the bucket.
All right.
So it can that is the rope here and drop down. You put it here and then through it. Like this. And then when you're done, you have to get the rope and the other pulleys to do the job. So get a first pulley, and then in the second way. So you put the first pulley here. Okay, the pulley system makes item transportation easier. How can you make it on halfway the pull? Go up. You didn't tell something. I did stuff to the radar stuff from the top. Yeah. Mount it up to the tree house on the edge near the steering wheel. Okay, this is the bucket. I'm using the binoculars for example. Trespassing sign. My dad gave me some Gorilla tape to tape it on. Almost got it. And I got it. And Carter, can I have some tape, please? Tape. Thanks. Ugh.
It can be like no trespassing to the tree house. I'm gonna put a Sharpie where a Sharpie is. I'm a little bit nervous because it might break. Got to like put like